This baby is coming to life. Let's take a look. All of this got cleaned up, painted, and concrete. Columns still need to be finished, but look at this. It wraps all the way around the house so the residents can come with their wheelchairs, and then over this way, this will be the primary entrance for the residents. Now let's go take a look inside. Back to the front door. Drywall, mudding. This sprinkler system has been a trip. And then this is the old house. And then here is going to be the kitchen. And then my favorite part, second favorite, these vaulted ceilings. My favorite's actually this hallway. Drum roll. Ooh, look at this. So these are all the resident rooms. Wide hallways, big doors. This is the laundry room. So much light. And then each room has a half bath. So sink and toilet for each resident. And then this is one of the entrances and exits. There's 3 of them. And then this goes out to where I was standing earlier right there. Back here off this main area, this was actually part of the old house. This was a dining room and it got converted to one of the resident rooms. And then this bathroom is part of the new house, and you can see right here. So old house, new house. So this is the addition that we're building on, which is everything that way. Okay, and then another thing that I really love is, so when you have residents, you're gonna be cooking a lot and you're gonna need a huge fridge, but I didn't want the fridge to stick out an excessive amount past the cabinets. So what we did is we pushed the wall in to that room that was back there. So we pushed it into the closet, and now the fridge can still look like it's counter depth, but it's gonna be a full size. Stay tuned for another update.